Hi, I'm Lissy John, Nursing Superintendent from Ramya Medical College Hospital, Bangalore. Yeah, we as nurses face a lot of challenges in our hospital. That is because 5 years back, we had very few colleges. And the nurses who were produced from that colleges were really superb. They were very good in their quality, and the knowledge that they had, the skill that they had was very good. That is because every colleges had a hospital attached to that. So they were well trained in that. But now what has happened is colleges have come up like mushroom. So the number of trainers are reduced, the teachers have reduced, and also they have not been trained in the hospital. Some of them have not seen a hospital also, and the nurse-patient ratio is so much. You see, you have one patient and 5 nursing students attending them. So what I mean to say is they lack knowledge, they lack skill, and that is the greatest challenge that we come across. Second thing is the attrition that we have. Because overseas what has happened is they have reduced their recruitment strategies. So that is why more number of nurses have been siphoned. So many of them, because the type of wages that they get there, the facilities that they get there abroad is so good that many of the nurses prefer going abroad. Even though they do not have much knowledge and skill, they ensure that through the hook or crook, they ensure that they go away and live better life. So this is the second challenge that we face. And the third one is the training program was also a challenge that we faced, because everything was room based, in a classroom based. It was digital based training is not much in use. There are few hospitals, I do not deny that, but in total when you take, people are learning in the classroom, no hands-on training are there. So that is one of the biggest challenges. So that is why they lack skill. So that is the big challenge that we face. When the nurses have been recruited to the hospital, they lack knowledge and also skill. See, when you compare overseas, for example, if you compare a country like UK, so when they do the selections, their strategies or their protocol is such that it is everybody has to go through certain examinations. But that sort of we do not have in the hospital. Anybody with just an oral interview, they can be absorbed into the hospital. So that makes them very different from what we have in India. So that is one of the challenges that we also face. And after they have been trained, they have been inducted. So they have, skill training they have been put under a preceptor, they have mentors to, train them. Lot of system is in place, which we do not find it in India. Way forward for this is we need to upgrade our skill and knowledge. That is very important. So a classroom base will not really help. A digital method of, wherein this digital method apps will help. That will give us lot of accessibility, increased accessibility will be there. They can access whenever they are, not only in the classrooms, whenever they have free time, they can access for it. And also it is real experience will be helpful. Enhanced real experience also will help the nurses, because they can undergo lot of scenarios can be created, real, pre-test, post-test. All this if is included, then definitely that will help the nurses in improving their knowledges. Earlier, the license renewal in India was lifetime. I don't think this is very apt, because what happens is we do not know whether they are working or whether they have upgraded their knowledge. There was no guidelines as to whether the license has to be renewed. But when you see countries abroad, overseas like UK, USA and all, they do have renewal of license every year. When they have this renewal of license every year, that makes the nurses to upgrade their skills and their knowledge. So I feel that because their way of teaching is different from what we have. They have mentors along with them, they have trainers, they have preceptors, and they induct them on their job, and so nurses are very well skilled in that. Nurses can there is every opportunity for a nurse to upgrade their knowledge. Only reading a books will not help them out, or a classroom session will not help them out. We have a lot of opportunities nowadays. For example, e-learning is one thing. They can go through through this, how, for example, a robotic surgery, how exactly it is being done, what are the guidelines that is required. If, for example, if it is an infection control practices, how exactly you have to do. All these guidelines are available, are in place, but it is up to the nurses that they use these facilities and they upgrade their knowledge and their skills.